சிரிப்பே மேஜிக் டச்சு மனசு என்ற அற்புத லாம்பில் மகிழ்ச்சி தானே சுவிட்சு வா புனைவோம் தெனாலி ராமன் வேடமிதி நீ அறிவாய் முல்லா பேர்பால் பாடமிது கவனி crazy எல்லாமே easy.
Hi all, I'm Reshma, niece of Crazy Mohan, Madhu Balaji and Crazy Bhaskar. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for all the videos and messages that you've been sending across. As a family, we feel very privileged and also truly overjoyed at seeing all these messages that you've been sending across. I think it's about time that I document whatever memorable moments that I had with Mohan Mama as well. Crazy Mohan symbolizes humor, but today I'm not here to talk just about his humor. I'm here to talk about the two pillars of his life, one being family and the other being his extended family, Crazy Creations. When it comes to family, I think for every individual it encompasses their spouse, their parents, their kids. But for Mohan Mama, it started from his Tata Pati, his parents, his Perima Peripa, his siblings, their kids, grandkids and so on. The best part of Mohan Mama was he would listen to every single person's point of view in the family, be it Tata or be it even the smallest child in the house. One of the reasons behind Mohan Mama's success was definitely the greatest support system that he had from his siblings, that is his brothers, his sisters, his wife, his children, everybody who contributed to his success from the family. And of course a huge pillar of support was his father, my Tata. My Tata would handle every single element of Mohan Mama's accounting as well as his finance and everything, so that Mohan Mama could just focus on his writing. So I think that way he was blessed with a great support system in terms of his family. If I speak about his family, I think it would be incorrect of me if I do not mention his extended family, which was Crazy Creations. Crazy Creations, I think Mohan Mama has mentioned this many times, was formed as a group of friends who joined together and started staging plays, and then they just grew and grew to what they are today. Every member of Crazy Creations is extremely vital to the success of all of Mohan Mama's dramas as well as Mohan Mama on the whole. As a child, I would go to Mohan Mama's dramas, and I would be so excited to actually be watching along the sidelines along with all the actors, and I would actually be running around the dressing room, and for me, I never felt like I was in I was along with some actors. It was always like Mohan Mama, Balaj Mama, Kant Mama, Vas Mama, Ramesh Mama, Sundarajan Mama. So it was just like an extended family. So I think Mohan Mama had this amazing gift, and so does Balaji Mama, of finding the greatest friends, and he was bestowed with the greatest pair of friends that anybody could get. I have a lot of friends, so enga amma sollide irpa engita that probably you have that gift as well. So thank you Mohan Mama, I think I inherited that gift from you. One more thing that probably I wanted to mention is whenever I used to tell my friends that I was related to Crazy Mohan, the first thing they would ask me is how does it feel, how is he at home and how does he feel to be with a celebrity. So I used to discuss it with my mom, and my mom used to be like, what's so great, I mean a celebrity is after all a human, so they'll just be casual at home abdina. So I only after some time came to know that probably not all of them are the same at home and with probably their extended families. I think the thing is with most people, when they go out or when they claim that they know a celebrity and then they come face to face with a celebrity in some place, they would be scared. What if avarena kandikalana illa avarena madikalana, what face will I show my friends, and the madra they'll all feel. But in my case it was actually quite the opposite. If I used to take my friends to Mohan Mama's drama, I used to be more worried about innikku enna kuttu velipada poradhu enna patti to my friends, because Mohan Mama had this uncanny knack of, spilling out all the beans about me in front of my friends. And, then that's it. I would get ragged about it maybe for the next 2 to 3 days at least, as long as it was fresh in their mind. So, but the thing is, he was a very, very big child actually at heart. Immensely talented, extremely talented. He could do everything. He could write amazing dialogues, as everybody knows. He could draw so beautifully. He could, write all these vendbars. But he was a child at heart. The first thing he will ask is, where is, the cream biscuit? Last time you I cooked the cream biscuit, so that is what, ultimately, that's what he was. He was a very, very, childish person at heart, very innocent, and very, very humorous, of course. Definitely, I think that's a given. He could find a joke at probably the smallest instance, so he would converse with everybody in the house. So kutti korandattendu periva varaikum he would talk to everybody. He would find a joke in everything. Ella kashtamana situation irukattum, nalla joliyana situation irukattum, everything used to be a source of fun for him. He had this sentiment. I think a lot of people have spoken about it. And we would always rag him about it. Whenever he would give an interview, we would always call him and say, "Ayyo, Mohan Mama, thirupi adhe shirt ah, thirupi adhe pottundirukela." And he'd be like, "Illa sentiment adha pottupen." So yeah, there were a lot of these, small things to him. And frankly, I think I've taken that sentiment from him as well. I am a little sentimental myself. So to round it up, I think I should say, he was very humble, very down to earth. Amazing person, and of course a great entertainer at all times. But Mohan Mama, we think about you every second, every minute. We look at you, in all your dialogues. We see you. We find you in all the childish moments of every child. In all the humor, in all the kuti smiles, and all that naughtiest things. We definitely think of you when we see Jim Jam and Board Bones, because they were synonymous with you. And definitely, we love your vendbars, and we love all those paintings and the literary works of yours. We will, keep reminiscing you forever, Mohan Mama. We love you.
காட்டும் ஸ்கெட்ச் சிரிப்பே மேஜிக் டச் மனசு என்ற அற்புத லாம்பில் மகிழ்ச்சி தானே சுவிட்ச் வா புனைவோம் தெனாலி ராமன் வேடமிதை நீ அறிவாய் முல்லா பேர்பால் பாடமிது